Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a really nice 5-lever padlock made by Aldridge. I think that this is Aldridge Security who made this, which are still actually a company that are around in the UK even today. I don't see many of these Aldridge padlocks about. It's very reminiscent to maybe an era 5-lever insurance, maybe a bit like a Top Cruiser, but yeah, I haven't. This is the only one I've ever seen actually. This Aldridge version of a 5-lever padlock. Anyway, here is the key with reasonable bitting. You can see how we've got lever step 1, 2, 3, then a lower 4, and then 5 here. And this step here is the bolt step that engages with the bolt talon, and we'll pull the bolt assembly across once all the levers are to the correct height. Let's give it a go in the lock. Very smooth operating. And yeah, just nice in general. So to pick this, I'm probably going to use a GJ Locks tension tool like this, which I think you can still buy over on Andy Mack's website. And I might use a lever wire. I don't know which one exactly, probably just one of these ones which a subscriber sent to me. They made them, and that's really kind of them. So probably throw this in a vise and we'll have a go at picking it. Okay, all in that vise. There's the key, there's the bitting. Let's give it a quick open and close, make sure that all those levers are back down. We will grab our tension tool, pop that in, get a wire. I don't really know which one I'm going to use, so I guess I'm going to use this one because it's right here, and pop that in the lock. Then hopefully just turn the whole thing together and we should have adequate tension. And what we're going to do, so I might just move this back a wee bit for you, is walk those levers up as we feel them bind. So let's go along. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. Oh, 4. And did you sort of see how it moved a little bit? That's a good sign in this lock. Okay, 1 movement, 2, 3, 4. Nothing on 5. 1. 2, I can feel it walking up the bolt. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And I think we're open. Yes, we are. So clearly no false gates. Just gently walking the levers up the bolt assembly with right amount of tension, good feedback in the lock, and there we go. So yeah, great fun picking these. It genuinely is. Like I said, I don't see many of these Aldridge, I think it's Aldridge Security, these Aldridge padlocks about. So yeah, it's a pleasure to have one in any collection. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching that. If you'd like the video, please leave a like. Do consider commenting below. I read all the comments and I try to reply to as many as I can. And of course, if you will give me a subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you all next time.